Force 13's Australia and Oceania channel with another look at what's making the local weather scene. Bureau Meteorology WA has a severe weather warning in place for the southwest, parts of the lower west, the south coastal and the great southern districts. Damaging winds may occur across parts of the southwest land division with the passage of a cold front during this morning. And here's the area under the warning. A strong cold front is currently moving across the southwest corner, and a cool, cold, unstable air will follow in wake of the front. Showers and thunderstorms associated with the cold front and poor cold water, unstable air may produce damaging winds with gusts to 110 kilometres per hour that could cause damage to homes and property within the warning area. The worst weather is expected along coastal parts, particularly south of Bunbury, and conditions expected to ease by Thursday afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms may produce moderate to heavy rainfall at times, particularly about the southwest, lower west districts. Combination of rising swell, strong to gale force winds will likely result in damaging surf conditions along the coast from late Wednesday, which could cause significant beach erosion, and locations which could be affected: Albany, Bunbury, Busselton, Katanning, Mandurah, Manjimup, Margaret River, Mount Barker, Narrogin and Perth. Cape Leeuwin recorded a wind gust of 115 kilometres an hour at 4:20 a.m. this morning. And on the screen, it's a look at the Perth Doppler radar. This was recorded earlier this morning. Bureau Meteorology over there in Perth also has a gale warning for the Albany coast, strong wind warning for the Perth local waters, the Lassislan, Perth, Bunbury Geography, Leeuwin and Esperance coast, and I'll cancel the one for the Gascoyne and Geraldton coast, and they'll have a similar warning in place for tomorrow. There are no warnings for the state of New South Wales. There's a strong wind warning, Victoria, West Coast. Strong wind warning down there in Tasmania for the far northwest, the southeast, southwest, central west coast, and a small craft alert for the central plateau lakes, and a similar warning will be in place for Friday. And up here in Queensland, strong wind warning for the Peninsula, Cooktown, Townsville, Mackay, Capricornia, Fraser Island coast, and a similar one for Friday. Now we have a look at the latest rainfall from the Bureau Meteorology, their forecast across the next few days. Information's at the right hand side of the screen, and again it looks like it's going to be the state of Tasmania and its western region. Here's the Bureau's total forecast of rain. And considering that we're now experiencing winter temperatures have been interesting across the southern states, and Perth had its is having its wettest June since I think 2005. And the GFS wind probability, it's a look at the 850 millibar level. This is from 1300 hours today through to the same period Friday. And finally, in this update, we have a look at the GFS accumulated precipitation across the forecast period, and it's extracted from the Pivotal Weather website. Force 13's main channel is monitoring 3 tropical areas, 1 in the East Pac and 2 in the West Pac.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.